Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create a WebView app which allows you to embed your website inside the app. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, give a like and share. Now all we have to do, just open your Android Studio, then click File, New Flutter project, Next, and I will call it My WebView app. Paste it here. You can name it whatever you want, so then click Finish. Now I have this project created. So first thing I have to do, just open up your browser, then type webview Flutter. Just type here webview Flutter and click on this link. On here on the installing tab, just click on it and copy this package. Now head back to Android Studio, then paste it inside the pubspec.yaml, just here under the dependencies. Add a new line, and before you paste it here, make sure to have it at the same level of Flutter, because indentation matters. Then click Packages, Get to import this package into your project. Then again, go back to the web browser and scroll down. Just copy this line, because here we're going to import the package. Paste it here, and we still have to do one more thing. Just go back again, then click on README. We must do this step in order to enable the iOS to display the web view. Otherwise, it's not gonna work on the iOS. Just copy the key, then go to Android Studio, then under this folder, just open it, then Runner, open this one, then here on this one, Info, scroll down. Here, just add a new line, just type key, then close the key, and inside of it, just paste this line we copied from the website, Flutter website. Then the value of it's going to be yes. So just here, come here and type string, then string, then inside here just type yes, and that's it. That means now we have enabled the web view on iOS devices. Just close it and close this one too, and here highlight this part of code and remove it. Just type stateful widget, then my web view app, and don't forget to change this name, because it was the previous name of the class I just removed. And inside here I'm going to add a new property for this class, and it's going to be of type completer, which is a future object, so it's going to hold the value or return an error. So just make it final completer, then here web controller, then I call it controller equal completer, which is this one, controller, and that's it. Now we have an object of this completer. and here instead of returning this container, I'm going to return a scaffold. So in case you want to add an app bar, just type app bar, then app bar, the constructor of the app bar class. Then it takes an argument. So the first one is title. Type text widget, and here you can just type the your website name, and in my case I'm going to name it my YouTube channel. Then here, after this closing parenthesis of this app bar, just add a new line, then type body. Here where I'm going to display the website. Just type now just type webview, which is this one. And then here I'm going to pass the URL of my YouTube channel to this initial URL argument. Also, I'm going to enable the JavaScript. Unrestricted. Then here I'm going to use this function on webview created. So it's a callback, so I'm going to pass inside of it webview controller, and I will call it W controller. Complete W controller. Now I'm going to run this app on the virtual device. I got this error message because I need to wrap this scaffold with material app. So all I have to do is add in a new widget here, then just type material app, this one, then here home. So I'm just gonna click on hot reload. See, it's working. So this is the web view. You can display your blog or your website inside an Android or iOS app. So that's it for this video. In the next tutorial I'm going to explain this part and this part as well. Also, I'm going to enable the back button. So see you then.